Former Zingeza legislator Job Sikhala reported on social media that officers from the Criminal Investigation Department CID law visited his Chitugiza residence last night in search of him. Azviperi mushe muri Zimbabwe taona kuti Job Sikhala ava kutsvakwa nevakomana ma-CID amene kuti inhaudzei nokuti anoripota paendo pake. Sara pena paendo pake noti subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Nokuti Sikhala anyora achiti, I woke up to lots of messages in my inbox from my neighbors and friends that officers from CID law and order visited my house in Chitungiza last night looking for me. Today I have advised my lawyer Harrison Komo to go and inquire from the CID law and order if they are truly looking for me, so that I can cut short my medical treatment to go back to Zimbabwe and clear my name over my address and at the Geneva Summit for Human and Democracy, which I gather is the issue they want to press charges against me. What also surprises me is that my absence from Zimbabwe for medical is known by everyone, and wonder why the state agents would go to look for me at my house when they know that I am not in Zimbabwe at the present moment. Ndo mashikantoko pana Job Sikhala chiti ayo ma CID noenda pamba pake antozodzwa nema neighbors ake kuti ayo anga chitsvaka Sikatomboiti, but it's a well known fact zvinhu zvinozikanwa nemunhu wese Job Sikhala asi muZimbabwe. Tinotedza mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Ayo pena comment section medu musaona subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.